Yarnology is quite possibly the quirkiest store in downtown Winona. Since opening in 2010, Yarnology has been an initiator of creativity in the community. Assistant Manager Jennifer Georgieff explains what Yarnology has to offer.
Of course, we sell yarn. That's our main thing, but we also sell supplies for crocheting, for knitting, so that's needles, stitch markers, little notions that you need, in your project, patterns, books, bags to keep your knitting in, buttons. We also sell ready-made socks because a lot of people don't like to knit socks.
The store also offers various classes for community members to join.
We offer beginning classes, so for people who don't know anything about knitting or crocheting, they can come in and learn. We also offer anywhere from like intermediate or beginning classes, like after you learn the basics, all the way up to really advanced classes. Just depends on people's kind of skills, and we help them kind of determine what they're ready for too. So
Yarnology has created its own little community just within its walls.
We always have like our couches and our chairs open. People can just come in and knit whenever they want to.
Take a trip down 3rd Street in downtown Winona to visit Yarnology and spark your creativity. You'll be just like a kitten in a yarn store.